70s were wild, especially in the British music.
That energy had to be safely transferred from instruments, used to the limits, through amplifiers as powerful as muscle cars, to speakers, capable to blow your head off. To save the artists and all the fans across the United Kingdom, Cliff Elektronik Components was founded to supply the music industry with reliable and robust connectors. Thanks to them, today we can enjoy the beautiful legacy of, in my opinion, the best times for music. But I'm not here to remember good old days that I never experienced anyway. I'm here to show you what Cliff, after many years on the market, has developed for the industry, and that's Ramp XLR connector. Right angle, multi-position plugs. It's all in the name, but let's get closer and see what it is about. First of all, it's not a straight plug. 90-degree bend allows for applications where the space is the critical factor. Metal body gives you more protection from mechanical damage, which might happen while on the tool. On the female side, characteristic for XLR rubber ring and a latch, work just fine. To disassemble it, you need to undo 2 screws and take off the grommet with a strain relief. Some of you might have noticed what is special about them, but I'm gonna get back to them in a moment. Now, I want to show other cool feature of Ramp connector. The rotating end locks in 8 different positions for an outstanding flexibility. That allows to guide your cables the way you want them to go. Well, it can be even better. With Colourful Grommets. Yes, Cliff offers 10 different colors to easily mark the cables. With a glance, you can tell which one is which. You can order individual colors or a pack of 9. Cliff Ramp XLR connectors are available with 3, 4 and 5 pin. They are versatile, robust and reliable. Check our website for full choice of Ramp plugs, but also this beautiful rack as well as hundreds of other Cliff products. They offer a wide choice of electronic components not only for audio equipment but also for data, power, industrial and other applications.